If your tourist visa in Ecuador is about to run out and you want another 90 days, don't panic. You can actually get another 90 days pretty easily, if you know what to do. Most visitors get 90 days automatically when they enter Ecuador. Before that expires, you can apply for a one-time extension for another 90 days, giving you a total of 180 days in the country within a 12-month period from your first entry date. I just went through the process here in Cuenca, and trust me, the internet makes it sound way scarier than it is. So in this video, I'll walk you through, step by step, exactly how to extend your Ecuador tourist visa. I'll tell you the documents you need, which office to go to, and how the payment works. And stay till the end, where I share a couple of things I learned the hard way so you don't have to. Here's your simple checklist of what you actually need. Your passport, a color copy of your passport's photo page, the extension form, you can print it ahead of time or they give it to you when you go, and your payment receipt. That's it, nothing fancy. Next, you'll need to visit the Migración office nearest you, not an immigration office. That could be in Guayaquil, Manta, La Libertad, Quito, or a few others. I used the one in Cuenca. In Cuenca, Migración is inside the airport on the second floor. Walk in the main entrance, take the escalator up, and the office will be directly behind you. There's no ticket system. You just stand in line and wait for the next available agent. When it's your turn, the agent will check your passport, confirm your entry dates to verify your eligibility for an extension, give you the extension form if you didn't already download it, and hand you a payment slip with the exact fee. They do not take your payment there. You'll take the payment slip to Banco del Pacífico. You can get there easily by taxi or by taking the tranvía 2 stops and walking a few blocks. Make sure you have cash for the fee, but there's an ATM outside the bank, so no worries there. Just hand the teller the slip and the cash for the fee. The extension fee is currently $156.67. A weird amount, right? But it's a third of Ecuador's current monthly minimum wage, so it may be different when you apply. They'll give you a tiny receipt to take back to the Migración office. Double check that it has the correct information on it, then keep that little slip safe. Go back to the Migración office and give them all your documents, including the receipt you just got from the bank. In return, they'll give you a piece of paper with your extension date. Take a photo of it for backup, then keep the slip in your passport. Do not lose it. It's literally your only proof that you went through this process. So that's it for how to extend your Ecuador tourist visa in Cuenca without losing your cool. It's not complicated once you know the steps, but it can feel intimidating if you're flying blind. This video was Cuenca specific, but the process is likely to be similar in other offices. The whole process took me less than 4 hours. The hardest part? Not back talking when the agent chastised me for cutting it so close to the deadline. Now, by my calculations, I still had 5 days left, but I wasn't stupid enough to argue with the person deciding if I could stay or not. My advice? Give yourself a buffer and go between days 80 to 85. Do not listen to those people who tell you to go on day 91. That was the old rule. If your Spanish is shaky, you might want to hire a facilitator or use a translation app. Only some of the agents speak English, and it's the luck of the draw which agent's window you'll be called to. Thanks for watching my first instructional YouTube video. And if you want the written version with a printable checklist, it's on my blog, tastetraveltransform.com. If this helped, hit like and tell me in the comments how your extension went. Ciao for now.